And I say this only because they make me. Please do not play with fire at home. Go to your friend's house. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Kids, seriously, if you're playing with fire, kids, always remember to shake off the extra fuel from your torch onto the kid you look like a pig burst into flame. You know what I love is nobody ever stops me when I do this. They're just like, he's probably having fun. But the best part is, not only is my young friend here completely flammable, but now she's Catholic. Yeah, you think the priest has got like holy water? Oh no. Yule is just like, ah. And then there's the altar boy with that little incense burner, and he's just like walking around going, just give me a reason. Just give me a reason. Anyone. Come on. But that's what happens at my church. I don't know about you. Now, my friend. Okay, kids. Who's got a lighter for Uncle Paolo, huh? Just throw it on over here. I can catch. I'm a juggler. Lighter. Anyone? Oh, there. All right. Like a rocket. Hey, does anybody else have a lighter? You know, I could use a lighter to light this, but I think instead I will use my magical Renaissance flowers to light this torch. Would you like to see it? I will merely stare at the torch. Magical beams will shoot out of my eyes, hit the torch. The torch will erupt in a humongous ball of fire. Oh, look, a monkey! Okay, few doubters out there. Very well. I will magically light the other side with my other magical power. Okay, easily convinced people. All right. I'll do it again. I know you're stunned. It's like 10 minutes into the show, guy finally does a trick. All right. The flaming. It's been so windy today. That's the flaming devil stick. All right. Wow, nobody cares. How about that? Photographic opportunity you have been waiting for. It's the big camera. Oh, yeah. And now, under the leg with the devil stick. I appreciate your overwhelming enthusiasm. But the correct phrase when I say under the leg is no, not the boot. Look at these boots, people. No, goddamn. You don't want to hurt the boots, do you? No. No. Wait, let me just say, even if you don't like the rest of this show, you don't like the jokes or you don't like the juggling, what about these boots? Yeah. Give it up for the boots, people. Come on. So I say under the leg, you will say no. Under the leg. The boots are okay. And now, behind the back. Alright, make up your own words. To make this trick slightly more dangerous. And a little more. It gets better.
One Cali home.
Alright, here we go. You know what to say now. Behind the back. Oh. Take the picture! All right, I know it's going out, but it's still really hot.